the meantime, a little bit of fiddling. I just replaced the cable that goes to the starter solenoid on the bike. Now I'm going to trim this negative cable that comes here from the wiring loom that goes into this starter solenoid and connect it to the negative on the battery. Seems another problem solved. Let's go see how it starts. Let's see how it starts. If it's going to light properly, if it's going to cut out on the electrics, hopefully not. It's camera action. Feel on. Come on. Let's go from this side. What's going on? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Power? Oh, come on. No battery. Fuck me. Let's connect the cables in the van.
A few moments later.
And well, after some troubles starting the bike again, it is now starting first time, hopefully. I got the fuel. Let me open the fuel. Let's go. There we go. And that's it. Tomorrow I need to check all this wiring. It looks like the rats been here. They didn't, but this wiring look like shit.
The next day.
Definitely, this is my worst nightmare on motorcycles, and this is the thing that I hate most to do, is wiring. Some people find it relaxing, and man, I just go mad with this. This is just a short bit, all the rest under the tank, hidden, because I don't even like to see wiring. Let's see what I can do. As you can see, by that time, these are the original handlebars from the bike. Look at the length of the loom, just for the headlights and small bits. By that time, I believe that the copper wasn't too expensive, so Honda decided to put 2 meters of cables, you know, just to light up some sort of headlights and not much more. Well, let's start trimming this shit.
1 hour later.
Not much of a progress so far, but my OCD is getting better, so like that I can start preparing the frame for painting. Well, I went to do some shopping. I ran out of gas for my solderer. I ran out of tape, so back to it in 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's start tackling this. The gas canister and my solderer, charging it. Hopefully it's going to work. Okay, seems it's full. Oh, it was open. Not a good idea. And let's see if it lights up. In the lighter. Come on. Oh yeah. Not more. Okay. On. Gas open. Fingers crossed. Yes, here we go. Flame there. Can you see it there? Let's warm it up and start welding. or soldering, sorry. 2.5 hours later, I know you don't see much, but progress is slow and we must stay focused. Let's go for another 2 hours at least in here, and I think I'm finished.
Later.
And well guys, after today almost 6 hours around the bike, shortening the wiring, let me see. Okay, I have beam, main beam, okay. Indicators. Yes, I can see it at the front, at the back too. The other side, same. Tail light, yes. Brake light, yes. Foot brake pedal, yes. So we just need to see if the bike is going to start. As expected, not enough battery to start the bike. So, but I will say for the next chapter of this build, because our rebuild is already dark and I'm not going to plug cables to the van today. Been a cold day, and man, that's it for today. I'm exhausted. That is going to look even better when finished again, and see you next one. For the guys that are following me on van life episodes, sorry about it, but this is really urgent for me to have this back on the road. Please be good, like, subscribe, press the notification button. See ya.